Now we will learn about the pelvic cavity and the outlet. The pelvic cavity is round shaped and it is easy to remember that anteroposterior diameter, oblique diameter and the transverse diameter, all three are having the same unit, that is 12 centimeter. Then coming to the pelvic outlet, which is usually asked in the exam, there are two outlets. One is anatomical and another is obstetric outlet. The anatomical outlet is lozenge shaped. It is bounded. There is interiorly by the lower border of the pubic symphysis, then pubic arch and pubic rami, ischial tuberosities, and the sacrotuberous and the sacrospinous ligaments, and posteriorly by the tip of the coccyx. So here in this diagram you can see that this is the ischial tuberosities, these are the ligaments, and this is the tip of the coccyx. So if you invert the pelvis, this lower border of pubic symphysis to the pubic rami, to the ischial tuberosities, the sacrotuberous ligaments and the tip of the coccyx forms the anatomical outlet. The obstetric outlet is bounded. Upper boundary is on top is the plane of least pelvic dimension, which means at the level of ischial spines. The lower border below is the anatomical outlet. So now you can understand that obstetric outlet is above the anatomical outlet. Anteriorly is the lower border of the pubic symphysis, posteriorly lower border of the sacrum, and laterally the levels are ischial spines and the sacrospinous ligament. This is the comparative chart between the anatomical outlet and the obstetric outlet. Let us first see the anatomical outlet. The anteroposterior diameter of anatomical outlet is from the tip of the coccyx to the lower border of the pubic symphysis. It measures 11 centimeter. The transverse diameter of the anatomical outlet is bituberous diameter, that is between the inner aspects of the ischial tuberosities, and it measures 11 centimeter. So both are 11 centimeter in the anatomical outlet. Now coming to the obstetric outlet, the anteroposterior diameter is from the tip of the sacrum to the lower border of the symphysis pubis as coccyx moves forward backward during second stage of labor. This measures 13 centimeter. The transverse diameter of the obstetric outlet is bispinous diameter, that is between the two ischial spines. It measures 10.5 centimeter. So please understand the difference. Anatomical outlet, the transverse diameter is bituberous diameter, whereas obstetric outlet, the diameter is bispinous diameter. Being the narrowest part, this is the 10.5 centimeter at the level of ischial spines. That is the place where the head negotiates and internal rotation takes place. This is the narrowest diameter, transverse diameter in the pelvic canal. This diagram shows the bituberous diameter of 11 centimeter.